In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a passport photo on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, firstly, whenever you go ahead and take an image, as for the lighting, stand facing a window during the day. Even natural light prevents the mugshot shadows under your eyes and nose that cause passport rejections. And for the background, stand against a plain light colored wall. Even though we're going to remove it later, a simple background makes the digital cutout much cleaner. And have a friend hold the phone about 3 to 4 feet away at eye level. And do not use the selfie camera, as the back lenses provide much better depth and less facial distortion. And you don't even need Photoshop or any sketchy third-party app. Just open up your photo in the Photos app and then long press on your head or shoulders, and you're going to see a shimmer around your outline. Then tap share and select save image. You're now going to have a sticker of yourself like I do with a perfectly transparent background. Then just open up this image, tap edit, and use the markup tool to add a solid white background. And that's literally it. You'll be good to go after that. Now, passport photos must be exactly 2 by 2 inches. So what you can do is just go ahead and crop and change your aspect ratio on your phone from your photo gallery. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.